Welcome back to Capital Appliance Repair Podcast. Capital Appliance Repair is your most trusted appliance repair company in Ottawa and the surrounding area. You can book our expert technicians at 613-454-1577. That's 613-454-1577. Today we're talking about common problems with the fridge ice maker. Let's face it, fridge ice maker problems are very common. At Capital Appliance Repair, you can be sure our experience is significant with fridge problems, as well as all types of fridge repair concerns. One of the most common problems we come across concerns the subject of your refrigerator's ice maker. This is one of the most popular features on fridges. Unfortunately, it is also a feature that is prone to a number of problems. While you can always use ice cube trays in a pinch, no one really likes to use them, right? That's why you bought a fridge with an ice maker in the first place. Thankfully, while a lot of things can go wrong with your fridge ice maker, there are also a number of useful solutions that you can keep in mind. If you run into some of these problems, remember that you can always come to Capital Appliance Repair for all of your fridge repair needs. As far as fridge problems are concerned, we can handle anything you may be experiencing. However, many of these problems have solutions that can at least be attempted on your own first. Here are some common fridge ice maker problems. Number one, the ice maker has stopped working. This is obviously the most common problem, and there are a number of different potential solutions that you can explore. The first thing you're going to want to do is check the control arm. It might be out of position. You can also make sure the water supply valve is working correctly. There's also the possibility of a clogged filter, or there could be a problem with a clogged or broken inlet valve. Number two, failing to make ice. If none of the above seem to be the cause of your woes, then it might be a frozen water line. Unplug your fridge, turn off the water supply, and set about the task of dealing with one of the most common fridge repair demands. Believe it or not, but applying a hairdryer to the line can work wonders. Number three, not making enough ice. This is another common example of fridge problems. This is actually the stage an ice maker usually goes to when the line is still in the process of freezing. If this happens to be the case, again, check the line. Defrosting the line at this stage is usually a lot easier as opposed to defrosting it later on. Number four, another common problem is the ice maker is leaking. If your ice maker is making ice but leaking into the freezer or even leaking onto the floor, you certainly have a problem. Check the fridge to make sure it's obviously level. Make sure the ice maker unit is level as well. Damage, pinches, or kinks in the water line could be causing the leaks, or the fill cup isn't correctly aligned with your water funnel. Lastly, you have a frozen ice maker. When it comes to a problem such as this, you will want to make sure the thermostat has been set to the recommended setting of the manufacturer. If the thermostat is set too low, the water is going to freeze long before it reaches the mold. In conclusion, all of the above problems have solutions that are pretty straightforward. Consider trying them before you call the experts here at Capital Appliance Repair. While we can deal with any fridge problems you might be experiencing, there are always problems you can handle on your own while saving a few bucks in the process. Nonetheless, if you are still having problems with the ice maker inside your fridge, don't panic. We can address the problem quickly and make sure your freezer is back to making ice at the frequency and quality you expect. Capital Appliance Repair offers affordable and reputable household appliance services throughout Ottawa. You can depend on us for speedy repairs at the most affordable rates. Book a technician now by calling 613-454-1577. That's 613-454-1577. Thank you for listening to Capital Appliance Repair Podcast.